Hello friends, welcome back to Zero Math. In any competitive exam, if you want to be successful or if you want to be fast enough, then you should remember the multiplication tables, isn't it? Many genius guys really remember the multiplication table from 1 to 30. However, what's beyond 30? It's really impossible for an ordinary student to remember the table beyond 30. And we really do not recommend to remember it. That's the reason in this video we are going to explain you the concept so that you can build the multiplication table of the numbers from 1 to 100 in your mind. Friends, without any further delay, let's get started. Before we get into the concept, let's understand the prerequisite. The prerequisite is you should remember the table of the number from 1 to 9. When I say you should remember, which means this table should be on tip of your tongue. Coming to the concept, you should know the place value concept, which you would have learned at the school level. So for example, look at this number 38. So number 3 is at tens place and number 8 is at ones place. So which means place value of this 3 is 10 times 3, which is equal to 30, and place value of this 8 is 1 times 8, which is equal to 8. If you add this 30 plus 8, you will get 38. That's how this number 38 is formed. Let's take another example, 564. So place value of this 5 is 500 because it is at 100 place. Place value of this 6 is 60 because it is at tens place, and place value of this 4 is 4 because it is at 1 place. If you add this up, you will get number 564. Second important concept is to train your brain to perform the multiplication from left to right. I'll explain you why. Generally, when you perform the multiplication using the standard multiplication method, this is how you perform it, from right to left. So let's take an example. To standard multiplication method, what we will do, we will perform the multiplication from right to left. So my rightmost digit is 3. So 3 into 6 is 18, carry 1. 6 into 4 is 24 plus 1, 25. So 258 is the answer. However, this method is time consuming as you are dealing with the carry and you really cannot perform this multiplication in your mind. It is scientifically proven that your brain always interprets the number from left to right. Hence, doing the calculation from left to right increase the speed of your calculation drastically. Let's take the same example and understand how to perform the multiplication from left to right. So I'll write the same example, 43 into 6. While performing it from left to right, the leftmost digit is 4. So 4 into 6 is 24. However, please note this is not 4. This is 40 as place value of this 4 is 40. So 40 into 6 is 240. Add 6 into 3, 18 to it. Place value of this 3 is 3 because it is at one place. So 240 plus 18, which is equal to 258. So you can see we have converted this multiplication problem into a simple addition problem, and doing addition is always easy, isn't it? I hope you are clear with this mind multiplication concept. We will take two more examples to clarify your concept. Let's perform this multiplication from left to right. So leftmost digit is 8. So this is not 8, this is 80 because place value of this 8 is 80. So 80 into 5 is 400. Plus place value of this 4 is 4, so 4 times 5 is 20. So 400 plus 20 is equal to 420, which is our answer. You can see adding 20 to 400 is always easy, isn't it? Let's take the next one. So look at this 7, this is not 7, this is 70. This is how you should remember it. So 70 into 7 is 490 plus 8 times 7 is 56. Now it looks like a complex addition, isn't it? However, don't worry. In such case, what you will do, you will find out the nearest number with which you can easily perform the addition. So 490, if you add 10 to it, it will become 500. I'll add 10 here. Since I add 10 here, I'll subtract 10 from 56. So it will be 46. Now you can see adding 46 to 500 is easy. So 46 plus 500 is 546, which is the answer. This is how you can perform this mathematical operation in your mind. Of course, it requires bit practice so that you can do it effectively in lesser time. Let's build a table of 96 using the concept we learned just now. So 96 ones are 96. To find out 96 twos are, we will perform the multiplication from left to right. So leftmost digit is 9. Place value of this 9 is 90. So 90 times 2 is 180 plus 6 times 2 is 12. So 180 plus 12 is 192. Let's find out 96 threes are. So 90 into 3 is 270. Place value of this 9 is 90 into 3 is 270 plus 6 times 3 is 18. So this will be 288. So 9 fours are 36. So I'll write 360 plus 9 6 fours are 24. So 360 plus 24 is 384. 9 fives are 45. So this will be 450 plus 6 fives are 30. So I can quickly write down 480 as the answer. The next example, what we will do, I will not even write the steps. I will directly write down the answers. So 9 6 are 54. So this will be 540 plus 6 6 are 36. So 540 plus 36 is 576. So 9 sevens are 63. So this will be 630 plus 6 sevens are 42. So 630 plus 42 is 672. So 9 eights are 72. So that will be 720 plus 6 eights are 48. So 720 plus 48 is 768. 9 nines are 81. So it will be 810 plus 9 6 are 54. So 810 plus 54 is 864. So you can see how easily you can build a multiplication table in your mind as long as your concepts are clear. Final one, let's quickly write down the table of 79. So 79 times 1 is 79, 79 times 2 is, this 7 2s are 14, so it will be 140 plus 9 2s are 18. So 140 plus 18 is 158. So 79 into 3, so 7 3s are 21, so it will be 210 plus 9 3s are 27. So 210 plus 27 is 237. 7 times 4 is 28, so it will be 280 plus 9 times 4 is 36. Now if you find this addition difficult, then what we will do, the closest number to 280 is 300. So we will add 20 to convert it to 300. Since I add 20 here, I'll subtract 20 from 36. So this will become 16. So this will be the simplified addition. 300 plus 16 is 316, which is our answer. So let's do 79 times 5. So 7 5s are 35. So this will be 350 plus 9 5s are 45. So 350 plus 45 is 395. The next calculation, I'll leave it to you as an exercise. You can write down these answers into the comment section. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our channel and please be in touch with us for more videos like this. Thank you.